If you could live forever, would you?
Yes, of course. Why not?
Yes.
The way I look at it is the knowledge that I'm going to die that creates the focus that I bring to being alive. The urgency of accomplishment.
Why urgency? Why accomplishment? If you're gonna disappear into non-existence again, what would it matter if you accomplish something?
The need to express love now, not later.
Now, I definitely believe that love is the highest ethic, but it is entirely random to ground it, as Neil deGrasse Tyson does, in the fact that you die.
If we live forever, why ever even get out of bed in the morning?
Why not? And why would it be any more motivating to get out of bed in the morning knowing that soon you'll cease to exist anyway?
Be ashamed to die until you have scored some victory for humanity.
Well, that's rather tough news, especially for those whose circumstances don't allow them to score a victory, whatever that means. Thus, Mr. Tyson's argument for why finite existence is preferable to eternal life is not only nonsensical, but also, I'm afraid to say, inhumane.